there was a pot in the kitchen with maggots in it. Toilet was a mess, like it was never flushed in a week. The bed, everything. So yeah, I'm not lying. I've never seen maggots inside the house ever. I've seen maggots outside in like the trash outside, never in the house in a pot where like there was leftover food or something. I swear on my life. Yeah, of course I cleaned it up. What can I do? I clean up everything. I use these days to clean up everything. And I'm not gonna move because I made this a home. That's why I'm not watching. Well, he knows I never tell a lie. That's his whole thing, right? He never tells a lie. I don't